This is the Embassy of Switzerland, one of the most prestigious locations in Bangkok. Now here's the surprise. Just steps from here, you can still buy a large freehold condo under 5 million baht with 7 to 8% rental yield potential. Sounds impossible? Let me show you.
We're at Wittayu Complex, right on the wireless Phetchaburi gateway, close to BTS Ploenchit, Bumrungrad Hospital, and Central Embassy. This is not a secondary location. This is CBD fringe pricing inside a prime demand zone.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, 80.89 square meters, mid-floor. Foreign freehold available. Asking price 4.9 million baht, recently reduced. That's roughly 60,500 baht per square meter in Ploenchit. Let that sink in.
The unit needs some cosmetic renovation, and that's exactly why it works. The layout is large, practical, and ideal for long-term tenants. After renovation, this size attracts expats, professionals, and pet owners who stay, not short-term tourists. Post-renovation, realistic rents sit around 30,000 baht per month. That puts projected gross yield in the 6 to 7% range, potentially higher with smart design. That's well above the Bangkok CBD average, which sits closer to 4%. So why is a large condo in Ploenchit priced this low? Simple. This is an older building, and many buyers only chase brand new projects. But rental demand doesn't care about brand names. Tenants care about size, location, pets, and rent, and this building delivers all four. That mismatch between buyer psychology and tenant reality is where investors win. One more factor most investors overlook: this is a pet-friendly condo, and in the Bangkok CBD, that's rare. Pet-friendly units rent faster, hold tenants longer, and face far less competition. If you want more deals like this, real numbers, real locations, no hype, subscribe to the CondoDee channel. We focus only on properties in Bangkok that actually make sense. This makes sense. You're not buying for an emotional return. You're buying below area averages, below comparable layouts, and well below replacement cost. That gives you options: hold for income, sell after renovation, or exit when the market reprices, all while the asset pays you. If this kind of logic-first investment analysis is useful, like the video. It helps us keep bringing you deals that actually make sense. Facilities at Wittayu Complex are simple but functional. A swimming pool, fitness room, parking, and 24-hour security. You're not paying luxury maintenance fees. Common fee is just 25 baht per square meter. Opportunities like this don't appear often in this location. Under 5 million baht, freehold, large layout, real yield. This is the kind of asset investors wait for. Not flashy, but logical and hard to replace once it's gone. If you want full details or to arrange a viewing, contact CondoDee. Our contact details are on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.